point. I'm very much grateful from the Kenyan government under the leadership of my brother, President Uhuru, who always has been very generous to Somalia and very considerate on the issues on Somalia. We all know that Somalia is going through difficult times, a time that we need the support of the whole world, and the best support that we can get is the support from our neighbors, whereby Kenya, as a people, as a government, and as the president, has been providing this vital support to the current Somalia, which is in a very, very critical situation. Mr. President, thank you very much for your role, prominent role, in pacifying Somalia, making Somalia a stable and better place to live. As I said the day before yesterday in Dadaab, 25 years is a long time to host such a large community. And I think Somalia needs these people back home. Kenya has been sacrificing its limited resources, its limited capability to host these needy brothers and sisters who just ran away from the difficult times in Somalia. We all agree in principle that this journey that started 25 years back has to end up in a smooth and friendly and amicable manner. That is what the Somali people deserve. That is what Kenya, after 25 years or more, has been deserving. It's not only the refugees that Kenya is supporting. We have all types of our walks of life of people here in Kenya, in business, in other communities, in people who are leaving Kenya without being refugees, brought their kids here to educate here in Kenya. Somalis are there in the Kenyan universities, in all public schools here in Kenya, all over. So this is part of our history, and it will remain part of our history in the generations to come. Mr. President, I would like to reiterate again how much the Somali people are very much grateful for the generosity of Kenya, and we will remain.